Yes, people, welcome to a new comparison, and this comparison is between Jungle Scout and Keepa. And in this video, we compare some pros and some cons, and we give you a clear conclusion between Jungle Scout and Keepa. Well, these are two tools, and they are a lot used by Amazon sellers. And let's dive in some key terms and some features, and let's compare them in my computer. So let's dive in. Yes, people, welcome to a new comparison, and this comparison is between Jungle Scout and Keepa. And in this video, we compare some pros and some cons, and we give you a clear conclusion between Jungle Scout and Keepa. Well, these are two tools, and they are a lot used by Amazon sellers. And let's dive in some key terms and some features, and let's compare them in my computer. So let's dive in. Well, and first is the purpose. And Jungle Scout primarily serves as a product research tool. It helps Amazon sellers discover profitable product niches and provides insights into sales estimates, competition analysis, and keyword research. And Keepa is primarily a price and sales history tracking tool. It allows users to monitor product price history, sales rank, and stock levels, enabling informed pricing and restocking decisions. Well, the second one is product research. Jungle Scout is widely used for product research and niche exploration, helping sellers find and evaluate products with high sales potential. Keepa, while Keepa is not a product research tool, its historical data can be used for validating the sales history and trends of products identified with other research tools. Well, number 3, price and sales history. Jungle Scout does not provide historical price or sales data for Amazon products. It focuses on estimating future sales potential. Keepa excels in tracking historical price and sales rank data. Users can see price trends and sales rank fluctuations over time, which is essential for understanding product demands and competition. Well, number 4, alerts and notifications. Jungle Scout offers limited alert and notification features. It primarily focuses on providing insights into product opportunities. Keepa provides comprehensive alert options, including price drop alerts and stock availability notifications. These alerts are particularly useful for monitoring products of interest. Well, number 5 is browser extension. Jungle Scout offers a Chrome extension that allows users to access product data and sales estimates directly while browsing on Amazon. Keepa also offers a Chrome extension that provides quick access to price history and sales rank data on Amazon product pages. Well, 6 is user interface, and Jungle Scout is known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible to Amazon sellers with varying levels of experience. Keepa's interface is straightforward and easy to navigate, especially for users interested in historical pricing data. Well, number 7, Jungle Scout offers pricing tiers including a more affordable basic plan and more advanced suite plans. Pricing depends on the level of features and tools required. Keepa offers both free and paid subscription options. The free version includes basic features, while the paid version offers more extensive historical data and alert options. The last one is support and training, and Jungle Scout provides educational resources including webinars, case studies, and a knowledge base. Customer support is available but may vary based on the subscription level. Keepa, on the other hand, offers a knowledge base and support ticket system for assistance. The support options may be limited compared to Jungle Scout. So, a good conclusion is that it depends on your specific needs as an Amazon seller, of course. And if you primarily focus on product research, competition analysis, and future sales estimation, Jungle Scout is a suitable choice. On the other hand, if you need in-depth historical pricing and sales rank data to make pricing and restocking decisions, Keepa is a valuable tool. Many Amazon sellers choose to use both in tandem, leveraging Jungle Scout for product research and Keepa for historical data tracking. Consider your business goals, budget, and the specific data and features that align with your Amazon selling strategy when making this decision. And we come to an end of this video. And if you have any experience with Jungle Scout or Keepa, please comment below and let's help each other. And thank you for listening. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.